guys? Your boy Slim Wee.
And welcome to our newest YouTube channel.
Guys, so we decided to create a new channel. We still gonna rock with our main baby, our main bread and butter, Mete and I. But we decided to spread out to do a new channel called Sippin with Mete and I, where we just elevate from a playlist to an actual channel, guys. On our main channel, Mete and I, we had a playlist where we patronize, support, review Black-owned spirits. When we got into our journey of Mete and I, we discovered at going to World of Beverage, they had a section called Chocolate City where they had a section just for Black-owned spirit. You're like, whoa, we didn't know this.
That exists.
Black people own our own alcohol brands, and you knew about the big name brands, but you know, back in the day, Diddy had Belvedere, and now Ciroc. You know, Jay-Z had Belvedere, Diddy had Ciroc, but we didn't know it's our people like us, everyday people, not celebrities, that own their own brand. So we decided, let's do a review on it. And then the one review turned to 2 reviews, to 3 reviews.
Like, oh, wait a minute.
So one day, Key from your favorite couple, like, man, y'all need to write a book on Black-owned spirits. He's like, say less, we will. And so since we come out with a book called Sippin with Mete and I, well, it's a directory to Black-owned spirits and also cocktail books. Let's create an Instagram page for it, and let's create our own YouTube page. So it's just bigger than, like me said, it's bigger than, the platform needs to be bigger than just a playlist. So now we have our own channel strictly for Black-owned brands and spirits. Tell them what all they can find on this channel, baby.
You will find reviews,
pickups,
did I say taste test
reviews,
same thing.
Unboxing, like we got this unboxing right here from Tuss Vodka.
And the biggest part is you will actually find
CEOs.
maybe live, or maybe just recorded
CEO interviews right here at the Brown Table. Y'all heard Red Table Talk? We got Brown Table Talk where we interview Black-owned cocktail spirits. We already had Sakari, we already had Bomb Aid, we already had King 79, guys. So we're gonna have, if you're a CEO and you want to be interviewed on our channel,
you must sit down at the
You gotta come down. It's a must, guys. This is the destination for Black-owned spirits, guys. Actually, the motto, tell the motto, baby.
It's the GPS of Black-owned spirit.
The GPS to Black-owned spirits, guys. So if you want to know anything Black-owned, as we still learn and find out, come here, guys. Sippin Me Now will be the page for you to locate Black-owned spirits. As we travel and as we go out and about, we pick up, my daughter was just in DC and she picked up 716 and she just picked up Whiskey Right. While we was in Dallas, we picked up Tequila Legendary and Tequila with Friends, and we also picked up Success from our people Kayla Mar and Oklahoma City, guys. So as we grow, we're gonna pick up more brands, guys, for the book and just for us to review, guys. So again, you know, anybody that has your own brand, put us on. Let's support. We don't want everything for free. Now you want to bless us with free bottles? We definitely accept it, guys, for a review and for the book. But we have no problem patronizing our people. Tell them about the Instagram page again.
It is Sippin, going across Sippin with Mete and I, same as the channel.
And we also have our website called shopmeteandi.com.
Let's not forget.
Where you can get your Sippin with Mete and I shirts in different colors, different styles. You can also get your Sippin, the world famous Sippin with Mete and I cup, guys.
It's a brand.
So when you support us, we're able to support more brands, guys, so we can get the word out for them, guys. So that's it. I hope y'all like this video.
No, we hope you love this video.
Y'all make sure y'all subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, that beep, so you can stay notified whenever we drop new content and whenever there's new releases that we have, guys, new pickups. We try to pick up every week, guys. So we love y'all. Thank y'all so much for supporting Mete and I. Hope y'all continue to support Sippin with Mete and I. Please spread the word, guys. We will be going live on this channel, not as much as we do on Mete and I, but as we grow, we will be picking up the pace and picking up the steam, guys. So we want y'all to know it definitely be a strong balance, guys. But spread the word, let everybody know Mete and I is at Mete and I, and we also have Sippin with Mete and I, guys. That's it. We love y'all. We out.